I'm Noel.
I'm Jenny.
And I'm Cole.
And we're living overseas on a dime.
That's our channel. So yeah.
Hi everybody.
You mean hey fam.
That's right.
Thanks for all the
yeah,
new subscribers. We really appreciate it. I hope you've been enjoying our videos. And where are we going today, everybody?
We're gonna go on the hike to San Pancho. Super exciting.
To San Pancho. So we go down the beach and then there's a little rocky outcrop that we have to hike over.
See if we can survive, see if we can make it.
Yes, you'll see living overseas fam.
Yeah.
Yeah, thanks again. And if you really like this video,
subscribe down below. Give us a like.
Or above, wherever it is.
Yeah.
Or comment.
And
hope you enjoy.
hope you enjoy the video.
So here we are at Central.
Hi fam.
And we're getting ready to start our hike. We're just gonna walk down to the main beach, Playa Sayulita.
Yeah.
And we're gonna walk north to the northern beach. And from there, we'll show you what there is to see. There's definitely quite a trail to check out. Okay, so we've just walked down Selfie Street and we're going straight on to the beach. So we have what we think is a crane here, just walking, getting just over the river. So as you're walking, it's pretty simple. There's only really one way to go. And you're walking kind of straight north down the beach. And I'll give you a quick look here. See, you've got the rock kind of outcrop. That's kind of your first destination. And your second destination is the houses down there. That's actually San Pancho. And we're really hoping that there's a cut through because we have some information that there wasn't, and then some people are saying that there were. So definitely stick around and find out if we actually make it, or we just have to turn around and come back. Okay, so we're approaching the north end of Playa Sayulita Beach, and we'll give you a quick look here as to where you have to climb over the rocks. Pretty much right here, these rocks that we're getting up to. You got to climb over them. It's not incredibly difficult, but you want to be in a mediumly good shape and mobility to get over. Definitely don't do it in flip-flops. Seen people do it in flip-flops and it gets kind of slippery. But yeah, we'll show you the path going through here. Okay, so here we are at the top of the trail. So yeah, once you get up here, man, it's quite the view. This is a pretty amazing hike and
Awesome.
I really recommend it.
Beautiful.
Doesn't seem like that many people come here. But like I said, you got to be in some shape. So let's keep going. We got the trail over here to keep going on. So yeah, it's super cool. You come out, you get to walk through some like jungle areas, and then it's just stunning views all the way down as you're hiking. And apparently there's a there's a trail here.
I think that's the trail that goes to the beach where we were sitting.
Oh, that would make sense. So that goes back that way. Okay.
Yeah.
We can avoid the rocks, but we're gonna keep on trucking to San Pancho. Yeah, I'm definitely not taking that trail. I don't know where that one goes. Then we come out right onto the last beach of Sayulita, but generally not very many people, but just a beautiful view. What do you think?
It's good.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's good.
How's this trail? Is it good for kids?
Probably not.
But you should be with your parents, right?
Yeah. If they are too small, just don't go out.
Yeah.
But the views are beautiful.
Driving down the road that I grew up on once again. It's when I pass your door, the memories come back again. Pictures of us flooding back just like a wave.
Watch out for
Makes me
snakes.
wonder what happened, what you're up to today.
Yeah.
Remember when we stole your mother's car? We drove for days.
Mines? Well, that's like that's an ant hill, I think. Ant or wasp or something. Yeah, that's crazy.
That's massive.
We were higher than the ceiling, middle fingers to the sky. I remember thinking if I only could stop the time. Way back when we didn't care what they said. People could stare, I didn't give a damn, 'cause I was being next to you. Way back when we didn't care what they said. People could stare, I didn't give a damn, 'cause
It's the way.
Up or down?
Down.
Down?
If you guys think it's good, there's the wall to hold on to. That's the way to go, though.
No holding on to anything there.
So I guess, yeah.
We're gonna go down on our butts.
You know what? I'll go in front of Cole and just hold the wall, and he can just grab on me. Should be fine.
That's not exciting enough.
Well, Cole, I don't want you to fall. And I can just brace on the wall, and Mom can hold you from behind. Huh?
There's that vine.
Well, that's if you want to go backwards, but
Yeah, hold that side first.
yeah, I'll go first. I'll hold on to the wall and woohoo! We made it. There's an adventure. Whew. Let's go up a look. So we made it over the hill there, and we're just chilling out for a minute. It's absolutely beautiful on this side, is all I gotta say.
It's gorgeous.
That's kind of like the area we came from. Sayulita's back behind there. So we're going to continue for a bit. We're taking a little bit of a break.
Yeah.
Cole's having some of his goldfish there.
Definitely bring water.
Yeah,
And
it's
snacks.
No, don't bring water.
we're already at about 2.5 kilometers. So Midpoint, it's a bit longer, I think, than we thought. Probably closer to 3 or 4 kilometers.
But I have to say the hike through the jungle area, just gorgeous.
Absolutely beautiful. You got the sea views,
Yeah.
you got the jungle.
You got the
It's really
property.
worth it. And over here you could see down there at the house, that's going to be where apparently there's a path through to San Pancho, but this is like, I would guess around 1 kilometer of beach here, so it's just beautiful and nice and quiet too. So if you want a kind of a quiet break from the Sayulita beaches, definitely cut on through. It's a bit of a hike, Takes probably about an hour from the main beach to just get here.
Bring water just
Yeah.
because this last stretch of beach, there's no shade.
Yeah, no shade. Well, a little bit of shade, but yeah.
But you're going to be hot by the end of it.
So I'm not sure how well you can see, but if you look back here, that's actually Sayulita. So you get an idea as to the distance. Sayulita's back there. And then we got San Pancho all the way down there. Okay, so we've made it down past the rocks here, and we're a little worried that we might not be able to get through over there.
Well, we might be.
So we'll see. I don't think we're going to be doing rock climbs here anytime soon, but the adventure continues. Will we make it?
If that's one, he's carrying me out.
Apparently I have to carry Cole home if we can't make it.
More like find water.
We're on a desert island. We can't make it. Where's water? There are big waves here though, I tell you. Oh geez. We're gonna make it. So yeah, something you need to be aware of here. The water comes up quite high. So it's not something you want to do necessarily at high tide. Even right now, it's kind of getting a little bit sketchy with shoes. If you got just sandals, it's okay. But you'd have to have good sandals to do the hill part. So just something to be aware of when walking here. This whole area is just beautiful. Look at the rocks, this kind of cool cutaway sand. Really amazing. So we made it right to the end here. The end of the beach. The resort's right up here. And trail's right over here. Definitely kind of a squirrely little thing. But yeah, you can get over it to get to San Pancho.
What was your name?
Alejandro.
Alejandro, gracias.
So thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah, you'll be on our video.
There you go.
He helped us find the trail.
Yeah,
Thank you.
nice
See
guy.
you.
Super nice,
Bye.
thank you. And here we are, San Pancho. We made it.
Woo.
So yeah, we made it to San Pancho here, also called San Francisco.
Yay. Woo.
And yeah,
San
we made it.
Pancho.
Woo.
So we have to walk.
Yep. Whoa, water.
Ah.
We gotta figure out how to make it pass without getting soaked here.
Run.
We can make it faster, Jenny, faster, too slow. A pretty little town. Really nice rocks, rock formations, and yeah, very, very chilled out compared to Puerto Vallarta and Sayulita.
Finally made it to San Pancho. Yeah, it's pretty chill compared to Sayulita.
It's a little bit more upscale than I expected.
Yeah, looking at the restaurants, it's pretty hip restaurants.
Most things are over 200.
Most things are over 200, 150 to 200. And it really is like one main street, and then there's restaurants or shops to either side of the street, so it's easy to navigate. Really, it's one main street. So yeah, it's cute. If you want to come shopping here, I definitely recommend it.
So yeah, now we gotta just maybe grab a bite to eat, and then we're just gonna jump in a cab and head back to Sayulita. So we ended up just walking down the San Pancho main street, and we tried to get a cab, but the prices were just ridiculous. They went over 200, and I was kind of like, yeah, no, I don't think so. So we kept walking. We were looking at some of the restaurants, and everything was just a bit pricey, and Cole wanted to get back home. So we just ended up walking up to the highway, and we caught a bus back to Sayulita. And I think it was only 60 something for the three of us. Just note that it does drop you off on the highway at the gas station, so we still had to walk back into town and then walk up to our place. So everything turned out great, and we really liked San Pancho. We might try and make it back there again, but you know, just try and remember to subscribe down below. Hit that bell, leave some comments, anything you'd like to see, and stay safe and happy travels.